Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're gonna show you how to add end credits in your CapCut app on your smartphone. It's a very simple process and we'll guide you through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet. And download the CapCut if you haven't already. Once the download is complete, launch the app on your phone. Once you're on the app, here you can see the new project button. Tap on it. Here you need to select the video you want to add end credits to. Select the video and tap on this add button. After you import your video to CapCut, now it's time to add the end credits. So here you can see the text icon at the bottom. Tap on it. Select add text. Now type in the name and roles you want to appear in your end credits. You can add multiple lines too. So I'll just paste certain lines over here. So drag the text from where you want it to start from and adjust its length. Now go to the start of the text. Here you can see the frame icon. Tap on it. Now adjust its starting position and go to the end. Again, add a keyframe over here too. Tap on the frame icon. Now drag it to the end. Now you can play it to review it. You can also add the animation to the text. In the timeline, tap on the text. Now here you can see the animation option at the bottom. Tap on it. You can choose from the animation you want. And once you're happy with your end credits, tap on the play button to preview your video. And if everything looks good, tap on the export button at the top right corner to save your video. And that's it. You've successfully added end credits to your video using CapCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.